So now you spread this medicine. Next. So these are the different kinds of sensors. I just mentioned a few and what their purposes in the agriculture land. The acoustic based sensor, so its utility detection and monitoring the pest population. Then working measure of alteration in noise level in agriculture field. So for these different activities, we need different kinds of sensors, so that appropriate data can be gathered from this agriculture field. And next, let's skip all this. Now, so this is another integration, like leaf sensor, soil moisture sensor, nutrient sensor. So these all are the sensors you have to deploy in the agriculture field, and then this data will be goes to the central unit via internet. So there the backbone of this IoT is the internet. So wherever the data is collected by the sensors, so they will be sent through the internet to the central unit, and central unit will analyze those vast volume of data and then exchange the information with the expert, and expert opinion will be triggered and that will be sent to the owner. Next. So benefit of IoT in agriculture, the first thing is the precision agriculture. Precision agriculture means precisely when and what action that you need to be executed that is required in the precision agriculture. So I will discuss all these things later on. So I am running short of time, so I have to leave. Challenges I will discuss all this. Now come to this next. Just skip all this. One video is also there, you can realize them next. So this is one of the paper you have to go for, we will discuss about this. The global routing protocol is developed for optimization in pure learning for wireless body area network. So this is the recently published paper. Next. So in this our body we can use the different kinds of sensors to collect the data from our body parts. Like this figure, this EEG sensor, ECG sensor, glucose sensor, motion sensor. So these can be implanted in our body either externally or internally. So and those data will be collected. Then this board will be this sensor will be collected all those data, and those data goes to the sync node, and via internet it will go to the server, and there it will be processed. So those processed information can be reached to the hospital remotely. You can access those data either from the hospital, or the patient can also access those data, and doctor can also access those data remotely. It's not necessary you have to sit in the hospital and access those data. So from anywhere you can access those data and take the appropriate action. So wireless body area network is also an emerging area where we can see the application of huge application of sensors, so that we can save our life. Right? So the major contribution in this paper decided dedicated to designing and implementing energy optimized cluster based routing protocol. Basically, all the sensors, the measure of this short drawback of sensors, they are operating with limited battery power. So if you prolong the battery power of the sensors, and then you can increase the overall network lifetime. So for that you have to use the different optimization technique, different machine learning and other bio-inspired optimization techniques, so that you can increase the lifetime of the overall the network, so that operational time of the network can be increased in a certain level. So methodology integrating machine learning, graph optimization, pure learning for wireless body area network, and multiple body area network scenario also. So the design of MGWOQL clustering and routing algorithm improve the energy efficiency of the model with varying condition of the entire network. So that what we observe, that IoT is not limited to the agriculture or anything. So like the smart home application, you can also see the applications of IoT, where you can use the different sensors, different cameras, where you can design the smart home, okay, and remotely control your home as well. So body area network also, where in healthcare monitoring you have seen lot of application of IoT. So those you are interested, you can focus on this